Our new smart lumbar massager, back massager, just arrived we got it from the Hidokam brand on Amazon. Thought I'd do a little unboxing, little first look and impression of what this massager looks like. So it comes packaged nicely. Looks like we got charging cable right there, regular USB to USB-C, instruction manual. Looks like this is gonna be the remote right here. It's a cool looking remote. I really like the color. That green color is really nice. Let's see. Yeah, that looks nice. There's a look at and here's the underside. And then it also has this little plate right here. If I can get it out, there we go. For it to rest on top of. Like that, so there's a look at it.